In the University of Nueva Cáceres, we nurture Bicol's educators.
Today, we forge a partnership with the National Teachers College in Manila, the pioneer in producing esteemed educators for our nation. With an enriched program, we nurture fine teachers who will mold the hearts and minds of our future generation. It all starts here, in the heart of Bicol.
The University of Nueva Cáceres, nurturing better tomorrows for all.
A big round of applause. The NCF Magsaysay Campus is now officially open.
The City Mayor ng notification na na-delay po ang flight from Manila and the people of the City of Naga. Let me congratulate the Naga College Foundation for this yet another milestone in your mission to make a difference in the lives of our people through education. Naga College Foundation as an institution has been a solid and dependable partner of the city government of Naga in effecting change in our city and communities. You have partnered with us and supported our programs in the performance of our governmental responsibilities. You have helped us empower our people. We in Naga are lucky to have such an excellent school like the Naga College Foundation right here in our city, where we can send our children to get better instruction from preschool up to postgraduate studies. Because Naga College Foundation is here in Naga, we don't need to send our kids somewhere else to obtain their college and postgraduate degrees. A huge benefit for us parents in terms of finances as well as emotional investment. For this, we say huge thank you to Naga College Foundation. Perhaps it is time for Naga College Foundation to put forward possibilities of elevating your school to a university status.
It's a relief because this will open up additional classrooms for us of 14 classrooms, which is badly needed by 1,800 students, overflowing students from Naga College Main. No? So the 1,800 that will be moving here would give us some extra rooms in the main campus. So indeed, this is a good God's blessing for us. This building will be used exclusively by the College of Business and Accountancy. They are a college that's really growing and we expect them to grow further. So this will not be the last expansion for our College of Business and Accountancy. We are going to make this annex building as a model for us for our future expansion. We are calling this as an I-Academy or I-College of Business and Accountancy. I means the internet world, the communication world, which would answer the fourth industrial revolution needs where the forefront would be, of course, our graduates of our College of Business and Accountancy. They will see updated computers, updated computer applications, and a lot of training and seminars that would really enhance the skills of our faculty and of our students to be ready for the incoming Fourth Industrial Revolution. This is part of NCF's plan to be a university in 3 to 5 years. We would like to be the fourth university in Naga City. And but the main thrust of this is we will use this as a model where we will really upgrade all our computer learnings and our training for our students. Again, to the parents of our students, maraming salamat for entrusting your children to the care and for the education of your children at Naga College Foundation. When my grandfather founded the school 72 years ago, and he committed that Naga College would be a school that gives quality and affordable education, and we have maintained that advocacy of my grandfather, giving quality and affordable education. And we are now one step further, which is going into high technology in terms of teaching methods and use of teaching capabilities.
In the University of Nueva Cáceres, we build a better tomorrow for our students. With our future-ready facilities, progressive teaching methods, a nurturing culture for success, our Learn As You Earn programs make it easier for working students to finish college. We ensure their bright careers. It all starts here, in the heart of Bicol. The University of Nueva Cáceres by Ayala's AC Education, nurturing better tomorrows for all. In the University of Nueva Cáceres, we nurture future engineers.
Today, we strengthen the engineering program through an academic alliance with Mapua University. Together with UNC's nurturing environment, we prepare our Bicol graduates to compete nationwide and abroad and excel in their careers.
The University of Nueva Cáceres, nurturing better tomorrows for all.
Good afternoon, BUCAL viewers. This is Janine Deswanco, your courtside reporter for BUCAL, and we are here at the Ateneo Gymnasium to witness the game between the NCF Greyhounds and NCF Tigers rather, and the UNC Greyhounds. And we have here Coach Boyet of UNC Greyhounds. So, Coach, how did you motivate your players for this game? And knowing that this is the semifinals already, how did you prepare for this game?
First of all, we just talk about the adjustment on defense and offense. Then we just told our players to focus on our game plan and play hard, have fun, and play smart. That's all.
All right. Thank you. Good luck on your game, Coach. That is Coach Boyet of UNC Greyhounds. Thank you. Thank you po. We are still live here at the Ateneo Gymnasium, and I am here with the coach of the NCF Tigers, Alwin Margalio. So, coach, how did you motivate your players for this game, specifically now that it's the semifinals and with the strict advantage that you have? How will you ensure that you will win this game?
Like sa mga sinabi ko sa nila for how many games, and syempre, like na ako after ng game, gagaya ko Manila, may laro kami sa NBL. So I motivated them na hindi lang sila yung maglalaro. For semis, kami naman quarterfinals sa NBL. So sabi ko, pantay-pantay yung ginagawa ko, trabaho and laro naman for Kamsur. And I motivated them na sana maging, yung practice namin for 1 week or 2 weeks, sana maging effective and mentally and emotionally. Yun ang inano ko sa nila, na focus lang, enjoy the game, na no more doubts, wala silang dapat isipin na problema. Set aside nila yung mga ego nila as long na nag-enjoy sila sa game.
Right. So, Coach, since you mentioned about NBL, how do you manage your time about being a coach and being a player as well?
Very important lang naman is yung pahinga eh. Pahinga, tulog, gabi, oras. Basta importante, huwag niyong pabayaan ang sarili. Okay? Kasi yun ang passion ko eh. Kung ano yung passion ko, basketball, and yung i-share ko rin sa mga players ko.
Alright, thank you, Coach. Good luck on your game and sa NBL na rin. That is Coach Alwin Margalio of NCF Tigers. Thank you.
Jersey number 24, we have Doloso John Michael. Jersey number 21, we have Nabong Ivan. Jersey number 16, we have Ekal Mark. Jersey number 18, we have Pedimonte Philip. Wearing jersey number 13, we have Villanueva Kim. Jersey number 19, we have Nyangan Laiko. Jersey number 9, we have San Gabriel Justin. Jersey number 91, we have Bermejo Christian. Jersey number 10, we have Katamura James. Jersey number 7, we have Torres JD. Jersey number 22, Quinto Sebastian. Jersey number 2, Rito Rete. And jersey number 33, to complete the players, we have Baita Jesse Mark. And their coach, we have Sir Alwin Margalio. And the assistant coach, Aaron Margalio and Lance Mendones. Introducing the players of UNC Greyhounds, we have jersey number 2, Almario Jerome. Jersey number 18, we have Legaspi Andre. Jersey number 26, we have Rubio Brian. Next in line, we have jersey number 25, Ciruelos Ralph. Jersey number 41, we have Sequoia Friends. Jersey number 34, we have Tiamchiangco Ali. Jersey number 23, we have Taogao Ken. And jersey number 20, we have Manrique Christian. Jersey number 17, we have Carona Nico. Followed by jersey number 7, we have Deang Andrew. Jersey number 25, we have Quijano Jeff. Jersey number 15, we have Delonio Aldrin. Jersey number 6, Rilo Mark. And to complete the players, we have jersey number 12, Betis Jonathan. And their coach is Mr. June Baldoza and Lourdes Orsena.
Alvin Lumberio, head coach. Alvin
Lumberio for the head coach. Our umpire 1 is Ronnie Malinesa. Umpire 2, Bonanong Chumachera. And our crew chief, Jomar Gorom. And our sports commentator, we have David Bernales and Sergel. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the semi-final match. NCF, twice to beat. If the UNC win this match, we will have the second game on Wednesday here at Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. If the NCF wins, they will advance to the finals. Once again, BUCAL Season 3 is brought to you by the People's General Insurance Corporation and the Rotary Club of Naga. Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We are live at the IMJ Interactive. If you have your shout-outs, use our official hashtag on Twitter, hashtag BUCAL Season 3. First possession goes to the UNC. Number 2, dribbling the ball, generating the first play for his team. We have the battle of the players and the battle of the bats. Number 2, Eurostep into a pass. Shoots from the board straight into the basket. Number 16 dribbles the number 5, the number 16. 10 seconds to shoot from downtown. No good. Number 2 with a big rebound. Loses the ball and retrieve it on its own. Dribbles hard, the number 20. Number 23 for 3, no good. Big rebound by the big guy. Dribbles, the number 16. Number 16 drives, bounce pass inside, and a reverse layup. No good.
10-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Number 15. 5 seconds to shoot. Lays it up. 2-pointer. Number 20, guarded by number 16 to number 23. Number 23 serving the scene. Outside pass to number 20, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 34 to number 23, 5 seconds, intercepted. Number 16 driving, extra pass. Floater, no good. Number 2 running like the wind, slashes, Eurostep layup, no good. UNC ball. Second shot clock. 12 seconds. Outside pass to number 20. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 20 fires. No good. Number 24 to number 16 fires for 3. No good. Number 34 to number 23. Number 23, Euro steps, reverse layup. Foul is called. Foul on number 15. First personal foul, first team foul. First shot is good. No good on the second shot. Number 16 generating a play. Passes to number 21, to number 24. Number 16 fires for three, no good. Number 2 to number 25, slashes. Falls down, intercepted by the NCF. Number 5 to number 16. With 14 seconds on the shot clock, the big man inside, pump fakes, two-pointer. Number 20, guarded by number 16, passes from the side, inside pass, slashes, extra pass on number 24, three, bang! Number 60. Back to number 5. Fires for the revenge three-pointer. In and out. NCF ball. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 16 inside pass to number 21 layup. No good. Number 23 passes to number 20 for another three-pointer. No good. Number 5 passes to number 24. Fires for three. Number 2 breaking ankles. Passes to number 25. Mid-range jumper. No good. Number 16. Passes to number 5, back to number 16. Euro step, loses the ball, intercepted by NCF. Number 20 with a reverse layup for 2 points. Number 16. Passes to number 5. Number 5 to the inside, big man. Spins, lays it up. 2 points. Number 2 generating the play. Number 2. Outside pass. Number 23 floater followed up by number 25. 4-point lead by the UNC Greyhounds with a score of 10-6. Number 15, guarded by 3 UNC Greyhounds, loses the ball and it's stolen. Number 2, running like a jet plane, lays it up, no good. Number 24 loses the ball, stolen by number 2. Number 2 passes from number 23 to number 23 for 3, no good. Number 16 to number 24, Euro step, lays it up with a floater, no good. Number 20, one-on-one, foul was called on number 5. Time out. NCF Tigers. Remaining time 3 minutes and 41 seconds of the first quarter with a score of 10-6 in favor of the UNC Greyhounds. back to the ball game. Number 20 doesn't hit the first shot. Second shot, no good. Number 16 making a play for his team. Passes to number 91, to number 10. To number 13, pump fakes. Foul called on number 20. Substitution. 14-second shot clock. Number 10 to number 13 to number 16. Back to number 10 to the inside man. Foul. Foul called on number 41. First personal foul, second team foul. 14-second shot clock, number 10 to number 13. 10 seconds to shoot, number 10 fires for 3, badly misses. Number 2 to number 23, slashes inside and the foul was called on number 30. First personal foul, third team foul. First shot, in and out, no good. Second shot, no good. Number 16. To number 91. 91 to number 10. Back to number 16. Traveling violation. Number 2, surveying the scene. Number 2 fires for 3, no good. Number 16, number 91, traveling violation. Substitution. Number 2, guarded by number 5, passes to number 17, intercepted by number 10, stolen by the UNC, fires for 3, no good. Foul is called on number 91. Number 91, first personal foul, fourth team foul, warning for penalty. NCF reigns in the rebound contest. Number 13, jump floater, no good. Number 2, crossing over. Passes to number 13, loses the ball. Stolen by number 13. Bodies on the floor, and a traveling violation is called. NCF ball. Remaining time, 1 minute and 34 seconds of the first quarter. Number 5, back to number 91. Number 91. UNC ball. Substitution. Number 5 to number 18. 14 seconds to shoot. For 3. One minute remaining time on the first quarter. Number 5 fires for 3. Revenge shot, no good. But an offensive rebound by NCF. Number 5 passes from the outside man for 3. Still no good. Foul on number 12. First personal foul, third team foul. Substitution. "14 seconds on the clock. 14 seconds. Number 10 passes to the inside man. No good. Number 5 back to number 10 from the inside man to number 5. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 17 loses the ball. Number 12 passes. Still UNC ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18. Floater. No good. Shot clock is off. 12 seconds. Number 10 running like the wind. Lays it up. Rejected. But a foul. Foul on number 17. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. 6 seconds remaining in the quarter. First shot is good. Second shot is good. 6 seconds. 5. Number 5 fires. Bang! And that's the end of the first quarter. With a score of 16-8 in favor of the UNC Greyhounds.
second quarter of the semi-final match between NCF Tigers versus UNC Greyhounds. A battle between who will be the king of the forest. Running score 16-8. Good defenses for both teams during the first quarter. Alright, inbound by number 10. The number 5, dancing to the beat of the drum, to the giant. Push a sword, dribbles, against 3, quick pass to the side, to number 13. Dribbles, and the teardrop, but didn't connect. Stolen from behind by number 10. Number 22 drives into the key, to number 15. Looking for someone. Dribbles, spins around, baseline drive, pushes hard. Quick pass from beyond the arc, Euro-step into a rejection. Third attempt, number 22, and a reverse layup, another rejection by the Greyhounds. Shot clock violation, and that's a turnover. Number 5, dribbles. Number 13 with a big rebound. The number 5. Number 10 attacks. And a jumper. No good. Number 17, swift as the wind. As the whistle was blown. Foul number 13. Second personal foul, first team foul. Number 6, the number 7, number 20 with an ankle breaker. Quick interception by number 10, Ekos Lama Jama. Number 23, and a blocking foul by number 22. That's the first foul of number 22 and second team foul for their team. Timeout, UNC. Back to the ball game. Number 7 to number 26. Number 7. Fires the three-pointer. No good. Number 5 with a rebound. Quick pass to the side from beyond the arc. A standing ovation from the Tigers. Number 7. The number 23. Euro step into a drive. Left-right shot. Number 5 generating a play. Number 9 from downtown. Air ball. Recovered, yet loses the ball. For a breakaway. Spins around. Shoot! What a shot by number 26. Number 5. Number 21. Number 9. Baseline drive by number 5. Quick pass to number 9. And that's a traveling violation. Substitution. Number 7 fires a three. No good. Number 10 against 4. Waited for his teammates. The number 5. Number 5. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. 4-second shot clock. 4 seconds to complete the play. And that's a shot clock violation. Turnover. Right, once again, announcement from Coach Don. If the UNC wins this game, we'll have the second match on Wednesday. Again, if the UNC wins this game, we'll have the second match on Wednesday. From downtown, this is the rim, but not the basket. Basket counts. Foul number 10. First personal foul. Third team foul. Right, shout out po kay Coach Gab from Bruce Angelo. Shout out din kay Bruce Angelo from Aaron. Happy viewing din kay Marvin Malanlayos na taga NCF. That's from Zona. Number 16, dribbles to number 21. Number 19, to number 16 from beyond the arc. No good. Quick rebound. Yet out of bounds. Shoutout din kay Ate Pink. Ayan na ang shoutout ko. Floater didn't connect. NCF's basketball. Number 15, heavily guarded, pushes hard, pushes really hard, but didn't reach the basket. 7-second shot clock. 7 seconds. Number 19 with a quick jumper. No good. Number 25. To number 2. Back to number 25 from long range. No good. Number 16. Stolen from behind by number 6. Blind pass to a blind man, and that's a turnover. quick pass to the big man. Stolen by number 2, recovered by number 16. Pushes hard from the board, straight into the basket. Number 2, dribbling hard, dribbling fast to number 6, back to number 2. And an open fire, misses. Foul number 6. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 16, generating a play for his team. That pass to number 15, quick pass to number 21, Euro step into a layup. And a foul was called. Number 21, first personal foul, fourth team foul, warning for penalty. Number 2, number 15, to number 23, baseline drive, rejected. Number 19 with a breakaway pass. Foul number 34. First personal foul, second team foul. No good for the first shot. And he nailed the second. Number 15, heavily guarded by number 16. Foul number 16. Penalty. First personal foul for number 16. Penalty. No good for the first shot. And the second one connects. Number 16, still generating a play for the Tigers to own this forest. Number 9. From long range, and dagger through the heart. Number 2, drives. Number 15, bounce pass inside, and a reverse layup is too strong, and that's a traveling violation. Shout out kay Ping and kay Alex. And kay Roy. Sa mga magagaya na sinwapong student volunteers, number 19. Lap pass, pump fakes, and a shoot, no good. Penalty, foul number 21, second personal foul, penalty. He makes the first shot. That's 2 chickens in the bucket by number 34 of the Greyhounds. Number 16. Foul number 20. Second personal foul, third team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Line pass to number 15, spins around, throws the ball into the air, but didn't reach the basket. Number 20. The number 2 from downtown. 3 points. Number 16. The number 91. The number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. And a quick jumper. A revenge 3 points. Number 2, heavily guarded, barely crosses the half court, lap pass, and another 3. But this time, no luck. 2 minutes remaining time for the second quarter. Number 16, quick pass to number 9. Fires a 3, misses. Breakaway pass, easy peasy. Nice play by the Greyhounds. Number 16. Number 15. Intercepted by number 2. Number 2 against number 9. No good. Rebounded by number 23. Hits the board into the basket. And that's a timeout for NCF after witnessing such shot. Shoutout daw po kay Miss Angeline Gragasin from the Table Official. Again, for your messages and shoutouts, use our official hashtag on Twitter. That's hashtag BUCAL Season 3. Again, for free messages and shoutouts, use our official hashtag. That's hashtag BUCAL Season 3. Alright, we are just fixing our live coverage from the IMJ Interactive. We are still fixing our live coverage from the IMJ Interactive. Okay, players at the corner. Okay, the review is brought to you by the IMJ Interactive. We have to retract 1 point for that 3 points because the NCF steps into the line. Review is brought to you by the IMJ Interactive.
D21 lang yan. May big days dito eh.
Valid safety. Dala ko sa
Once again, we have to retract 1 point for NCF because the 3-point attempt steps into the line. So that would be 34-21. Again, 34-21. And we're back to the ball game. Shout out from Aaron. Shout out kay Gab Alinoon. And a shout out from Karen. Shout out daw po kay Mari Ortanes. Na nilalabanan ng init para makanood lang. Happy viewing. Alright, once again, running score 34-21. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. There we go. Inbound by number 9 to number 16. Dancing to the beat of the drum. Trying to recover. Number 9. And a jumper. 2 points. Seconds to play. Number 2, heavily guarded by number 9. The number 20. Stolen by number 16. Drives from the board straight into the basket. And that's the Cobra shot of the game. Number 2, dribbles. And an ankle breaker against all odds, but didn't reach the basket. And this is the match of the All-Star. Rejected. And an offensive foul was called. Foul number 19. First personal foul for number 19. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. Seconds. And a pass. 5 seconds. And that's the end of the first half with a score 36-25 in favor of UNC Greyhounds. That's from Elena. Shoutout din po kay Angel Margalio. From the same person. Alright, thank you NCF Band and Majorettes for gracing us with your beautiful performance. Alright, shoutout po sa kay Dane Banaag, that's from Gio 555. Shoutout din kay sa magagayo na taga USI ulit, that's from Zoana. And shoutout sa mga magagayo na singwapong student volunteers ng BUCAL. Thank you for volunteering. Shoutout din kay Marie Ortayes sa pag-ibig. And shout out kay Sir Paul. Happy birthday. Shout out po sa number 11 from NCF. You said that's from Elena. Again, for your shout out to the news and official hashtag and Twitter at #BUCAL Season 3.
In the University of Nueva Cáceres, we build a better tomorrow for our students. With our future-ready facilities, progressive teaching methods, a nurturing culture for success, our learn-as-you-earn programs make it easier for working students to finish college. We ensure their bright careers. It all starts here, in the heart of Bicol. The University of Nueva Cáceres by Ayala's AC Education, nurturing better tomorrows for all. In the University of Nueva Cáceres, we nurture future engineers.
Today, we strengthen the engineering program through an academic alliance with Mapua University. Together with UNC's nurturing environment, we prepare our Bicol graduates to compete nationwide and abroad and excel in their careers.
The University of Nueva Cáceres, nurturing better tomorrows for all.
Back in the ball game. Men's basketball. We're down to the third quarter of the match. We are still watching the semifinal UNC versus saves the volley and intercepted. Number 16. And a foul score. Foul revived.
First personal foul for number 5, first team foul. No good for the first shot. Number 2, dribbles. Number 5. From downtown, no good. Big rebound by the Tigers. Number 16, number 24. Number 9, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Traveling violation. Turnover. Inbound by number 2 to number 5. And Jordan, number 25. Number 16, dribbles, pump fakes. Number 24. Foul number 23. Right, lost and found. Wallet. Na bench. Walang pangalan pero may picture. With his girlfriend or boyfriend. Kung sino man siya. Just tell us the exact amount and we will give you the wallet. Again, lost and found wallet. With a photo of your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Thank you, Alex. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 9 drives and a whistle was blown on the other side. Foul number 2. First personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution, Greyhounds. Number 14, from long range, airball. Number 15 pushes hard against 3. 5 seconds. And a sniper, but didn't make it. Number 23. Dancing and prancing. And makes the shot. Foul number 16. Second personal foul. First team foul. Okay, sa nawawalan po ng wallet na bench, black, with a photo of your boyfriend and girlfriend, kunin na lang po sa may entrance kay Ate Alex. Just tell us the amount and I will give you. Number 16, dribbles. The number 15. Attack. Foul number 41. Second. Personal. Rebounded by number 41. Lap pass to number 2. Fires the three. No luck. Foul number 10. Second personal foul. Second team foul. No good for the first shot. And he makes the second. Substitution for the Tigers. Number 16. Dribbles. Number 5, back to number 16. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Nice play by the Tigers. Number 23. The number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Quick release. Didn't connect. Number 24. Rebounded by number 5. Second attempt. Number 34. Rejected by the wall. And a quick three-point attempt. No luck. Number 5 with an interception to reclaim his glory. A nice pass inside, but the basket did not count. For a foul was called to number 41. Third personal foul for number 41, penalty. Substitution. And he makes the first shot. Number 26, Rice, rebounded by number 10. The number 24. Number 15, pushes on against 3. Pass outside, stolen by Superman. Number 23 with a top board layup. Number 16, generating a play for his team. The number 5, back to number 16, releases. Missed the shot. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds to complete the play. Number 16, looking for someone. The number 5, back to number 5, 10 seconds to shoot. Lab pass to number 16, baseline drive, rejected, followed up by number 10 for a comeback. Number 26, dribbles hard, dribbles good. Number 6, generating a play. Looking for his teammate to screen. Trap against 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Floater. And the floater connects. Number 5. Number 16. From downtown. No good. Second attempt. Fadeaway shot. Air ball. 5 minutes remaining time. Number 23. Against all odds and a standing ovation from the bleachers. Number 16 to number 5. Basket counts for number 5. Foul number 41. That's his 4th personal foul. Warning for exclusion. Penalty. And he makes the shot. Number 41. Fires. A 3 points. Number 16. Number 24. Number 16. With an ankle breaker. Recovered. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Timeout, NCF. Alright, shoutout po kay Anton Realio. That's from Ernie Provido. Shoutout din kay Sir Zelo. Salamat, Cyrene. Shoutout din kay Echo Sabdao. Shoutout din kay number 9 ng NCF. Hi daw, sabi ng tropa ko, from Ella. Shoutout din kay Sunday Alamer. Shoutout din po sa UNC. That's from Ella. Back to the bowl game. Rebound by number 16. The number 15 against 3. And he nailed. Number 6. Heavily guarded by number 16. Looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Foul number 23. Penalty. Second personal foul. Perfect release for the first shot. And that's 2 chickens in the bucket by number 15. Substitution for the Greyhounds. Number 17 to number 2. Drives against number 5. Number 6 to number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Long range shot. Kaboom! 3 points by number 6. Number 16. The playmaker for his team. Number 5, a revenge 3-point attempt, and it nailed it. Number 15 against 3. And he makes the shot. Number 7, line pass to the side, loses the ball. "14-second shot clock, 14 seconds. Number 7. 10-second shot clock. Attacks. 5 seconds. Rebounded by number 2. 10 to shoot. 3 points. Number 16, the number 10. Bounce pass inside. And a foul was scored. Foul number 17. That's his second personal foul. And a penalty for his team. No good for the first shot. And he nailed the second one. Substitution for NCF. Number 6. 2 minutes remaining time for the third period. Floater, no good. NCF with a save. The number 10 dribbles, stolen by number 2. Steps back, throws the ball into the air, but didn't reach the basket. Number 24, swift as the wind, against all odds to number 16. Looking for someone. Number 24 fires from beyond the arc, misses. Number 7 with a breakaway lob pass. Number 7, 10 to shoot. Substitution. Four-second shot clock. 4 seconds to complete the play. Foul number 9, first personal foul. Third penalty. Another whistle is blown. Foul number 2, second personal foul, penalty. No luck for the first shot. And he perfected the second one. 1 minute remaining time. Number 9, warning for faking a foul. Number 2. Rejected. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18, Euro step into a floater. Still no good. Rebounded by number 15. The number 16. Seconds to shoot. Stolen. Number 16. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. Big man. From downtown. No good. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And that's the end of the third quarter with a score 64-6. Still on the lead, UNC Greyhounds. NCF Tigers versus UNC Greyhounds. We're down to the fourth and final quarter of the match. Again, if the UNC wins, we will have the final battle on Wednesday and determine who will advance to the finals. If the NCF reclaim their throne today, they will automatically advance to the finals to fight the Daraga Defenders. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. With me is the last 2 minutes girl and Roy. Here we go. Players will be dancing and prancing to their drums and to the screams of their supporters. Number 9 with a quick 3 points. Way to start the fourth quarter. Breakaway pass to number 17. Number 16, 10 seconds to shoot. Off base, quick pass to number 9. Back-to-back 3 points by number 9. Cutting the lead into 8 points. Kay Tang Koy from the major hit of NCF. Shout out din kay Ping Sontida, the prettiest student manager of BUCAL. Power! 9 minutes and 23 seconds remaining time. Here we go. Grahams gasping their breath on the final quarter. A revenge three-pointer, but didn't connect. Number 2. And a foul is called. Foul number 10. Third personal foul, first team foul. Number 20. Heavily guarded. Number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. And that's a shot clock violation. Turnover. NCF now with the ball. Number 10. Quick pass to number 5. Side steps and fires. No good. Big rebound by number 6. Quick pass to the side. What a play by the Grahams. And we're back to a 2-digit lead. Number 10. Number 9 from downtown. Wala Mindes. And that's the third consecutive 3-point of number 9. A revenge 3-pointer, no good. Good rebound by the NCF. Number 9 once again is out of luck this time. Number 20, a revenge 3-point. Still no luck for Derrick Rose. All right. celebration from the NCF audiences. Number 2 dribbles, looking for revenge to number 6. Back to number 2. To number 20, 10-second shot clock. Number 18 with a quick release, no good. Foul number 17. Third personal foul. First team foul. Shoutout po kay Nicole. Number 16, dribbles. The number 10. Quick pass to number 5. Bounce pass to the big guy, number 16. The number 9 once again. Spins around. Throws the ball but didn't complete the shot. And a follow-up was made. We're down to a 3-point lead. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Walang kumurap. Greyhounds still trying to recover. Rejected! Number 16, the playmaker for his team. To number 10. And a save. Number 5, baseline drive to number 16. Back to number 5. In a 3-point shot to close the gap. No good. But a foul was called. Foul number 25. First personal foul, second team foul. No good for the first one. And he makes the second, closing the gap with 2 points. Alright, good luck sa mga nagpipigil ng ihi para hindi ma-miss ang 5 minutes ng laro. Releases. No luck. An opportunity to take away the lead for the very first time. Number 16 carefully making a play for his team. To number 9, the star player. No good. Number 10. No luck. There we go. The 2 shots that could either make or break you. No good for the first shot. UNC's basketball. 5 minutes and 21 seconds remaining time. Compañeros, compañeras, here we go. Number 23 with a quick pass to number 6, making a play. On the safe side, floater. Number 16, an opportunity to close the gap. Number 9, rejected. Number 23 with a top board layup. And the UNC crowd is celebrating, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Tigers slowly crouching to attack their prey. To the big guy against 3, spins around, throws the ball, and a foul was called. Foul number 2. That's his third personal foul of the game. And the fourth team foul for his team. Warning for a penalty. Perfect release for the first shot. Chickens in the bucket. Kaklase daw yan ang majorette. Number 23 dribbles to number 6. Quick pass to number 2. 3 points and a standing ovation. Git-kita ng labanan. We are seeing a seesaw of scores. Number 16, the playmaker for his team, generating a play. 10 seconds. Drives. No good. Number 10. Hulog ng langit. Shoutout kay Sir Russell at kay Sir Ian. Happy viewing. Number 2. Stolen yet retrieved. Number 2 against all odds. And he makes the shot. And many whistles now to call the timeout because the crowd is so wild, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we're down to the last 3 minutes and 37 seconds of the match. You are still watching the semifinal game between NCF Tigers and UNC Greyhounds. Shoutout daw po sa magagandang student volunteers ng BUCAL, especially kay Ate Ping, ang pinakamaganda sa lahat. 100 pesos na yan. Alright, number 9, inbound to number 5. Number 16. Dribbles. Now pass to number 15. Pushes hard. Trap inside. And that's a traveling violation. Number 2. The number 23. Drives. What a Jordan shot by number 23. Number 5. Number 16. Number 9. Once again, the number 16. Baseline drive and a jumper. No good. Floater to number 23. Back-to-back points for number 23. Quick pass to number 15, spins around, pump fakes, and the foul was scored. Foul number 34. That's his third personal foul and a penalty for his team. The second shot. Number 22. Killing the time. Generating a play. Dribbles into the key. From beyond the arc. Number 23 once again. Owning the last few minutes of the fourth and final quarter. Number 5 to number 16. Attacks.
Last 2 minutes.
All right, thank you, Femi. Number 23. Dribbling fast, dribbling hard. Once again, number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. Quick pass to the side. 5 seconds remaining. And throws the ball. Hail Mary shot. Didn't connect. Number 9 with the ball. The all-star for the third quarter. Quick jumper. No good. 16. Slowly generating a play. 10 seconds to shoot. Releases. No good. Number 2, now with the ball, back to a 2-digit lead. Number 10, seconds to play. Are we going to witness a miracle shot, or will the UNC fight against the NCF Tigers once again on Wednesday? We will see in the remaining 45 seconds. No good. Number 9. Foul number 9. Second personal foul. Number 2 to number 6. 35 seconds remaining time. Probably the last possession for both teams. Foul number 16. That's his third personal foul. Third team foul. Number 34. And another foul. Foul number 5. Second personal foul, fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 6 to number 2. And another foul, resulting to a penalty. That's his third personal foul, number 5 of NCF. shot. Number 6, shot clock is off. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Makes the first one. No good for the second. And that's the end of the match. With a score 77-67. Winner, UNC Greyhounds. The rematch and the deciding match will be held on Wednesday here at Ateneo Gymnasium at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Once again, the deciding match to determine who will advance to the finals will be held here at the Ateneo Gymnasium on 5 p.m. Good game, well played for both teams. See you again on Wednesday.
Number 23, 27 points.
In the University of Nueva Cáceres, we build a better tomorrow for our students. With our future-ready facilities, progressive teaching methods, a nurturing culture for success, our learn-as-you-earn programs make it easier for working students to finish college. We ensure their bright careers. It all starts here, in the heart of Bicol. The University of Nueva Cáceres by Ayala's AC Education, nurturing better tomorrows for all.